Okay, so what is our biggest health problem? Weight. Weight. It not only ruins our body but also destroys our self confidence. Not to mention, now there are tons of other health issues. Once you realize you want to lose weight, you now start exercising and you start eating salads or maybe even go on a juice diet. But nothing seems to work. Your scale is the same, your clothes are still tight, and your belly is still the same. You are now frustrated, angry, and sad. Do you want to know who is responsible for this? Sugar. Sugar is responsible for a lot of our weight issues. So let's go through some sugar facts. Americans consume the equivalent of 12 teaspoons of high fructose corn syrup almost every day. That works out to be about 10% of our daily calories. Americans eat 19.5 teaspoons of sugar per day. This does not include all sugar consumed. As you saw from all the sugar facts, sugar, guys, is a poison. It's not only that, it's also addictive. They say sugar is more addictive than cocaine. No, I am definitely not asking you to make any compromises, so no compromises. I am definitely not asking you to give up on your sweet tooth. All I'm saying is let's replace the unhealthy sugar with the healthy alternatives. Replace. Let's substitute. Hey guys, welcome back to Super Cool Mom channel again. As you saw, I am not asking you to give up on sugar. I am not asking you to compromise. I am not asking you to give up on your sweet tooth. But let's replace all that deadly, dangerous table sugar and refined sugar with healthy alternatives. What are those? Let's talk about it. So why honey? First of all, make sure that you get raw, unpasteurized and unprocessed honey. Let's face it, 80% of the honey available on the market are full of sugar and they are not real. In this case, in the case of honey, pure and organic or natural means nothing. You have to make sure you get the honey that says raw or it says unpasteurized. That's the honey you want to get. Why? Because honey is an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, beneficial fatty acids, carotenoids, and bioflavonoids. These are helpful for your cardiovascular health. It contains antioxidants. Honey also helps improve your cholesterol. It naturally calms cough. We all know the concoction ginger and honey when you are coughing. And honey naturally helps wounds. So as you saw, raw, unpasteurized, unprocessed honey has a lot of benefits. Did you know honey also helps with allergies? Get local honey. The local pollen in the area around you will help you with your allergies as well. The sad fact is the lot of honey available on markets today contains no pollen at all. So, raw, unpasteurized, unprocessed honey is the key. Number 4 on your list today. Number 3 on our list is inulin. What is inulin? Inulin is a soluble fiber that is not digested by your small intestine. This soluble fiber is found in many plants. It's found in asparagus, chicory root, artichoke, onions, shallots, garlic, leeks, and many other plants. Your gut bacteria converts inulin into short-chain fatty acids, and this provides several health benefits. Let's take a look at those. Because inulin is a soluble fiber, it helps with constipation. So it helps relieve constipation. Taking inulin may improve your blood sugar control, especially in people with diabetes. Inulin promotes weight loss. and animal studies found inulin helps with calcium and magnesium absorption, resulting in improved bone density. Now compare the glycemic index of sugar with glycemic index of inulin. Compared to 65, doesn't 0 sound much better? So you saw the benefits for inulin. It not only improves your gut bacteria, but it also decreases your body's ability to make certain kinds of fat. No fat means automatic weight loss. And because of its low glycemic index, it is not as addictive as your refined sugar or table sugar. So, inulin is number 3 on your list for today. So number 2 on your list for today is stevia. What is stevia? Stevia, well, is a herb that is naturally sweet. It is derived from the leaves of a plant species called Stevia rebaudiana. This plant is mainly found in Brazil and Paraguay. It is naturally 200 times sweeter than sugar. And because of its extreme sweetness, you only have to use very little. Okay, so let's talk about benefits of stevia. First of all, stevia contributes no calories or carbohydrates to your diet. Because of that, it helps with weight loss. Stevia triggers significant reductions in your blood glucose and glucagon response for people with type 2 diabetes, so it helps regulate your blood glucose. And stevia contains many sterols and antioxidant compounds including kaempferol. But you have to be careful when you buy stevia. Make sure you buy natural stevia with nothing added to it. Look at the labels on your screen. These labels contains sugar. If it is a natural product, why do you need to add sugar to it? Which means it's not natural. The other contains erythritol, which means they have added a filler to it. You don't need to buy things with added sugar or fillers to your stevia. These are not natural. They defeat the purpose of eating less sugar, so please be careful when you're buying stevia. Now let's consider what are some of the labels for good natural stevia. See the labels on your screen? They contain total sugar 0 grams, sugar alcohol 0 grams. These are the kind of stevia that you want to get for yourself. These are natural, pure stevia, and this will help you with your sugar addiction. Some of the recommendations for stevia that I personally like are Sweet Leaf Stevia, Now Foods Better Stevia, Body Ecology Liquid Stevia. They are also available as liquid, so you just have to put a couple of droplets in your coffee or tea. And Trader's Joe's Organic Stevia. Be careful with the Trader's Joe brand. The organic one is the only good stevia available for this brand. When you compare the glycemic index of sugar at 65 to the glycemic index of stevia at 0, doesn't 0 sound much better compared to 65? As mentioned, make sure you read labels before you buy stevia. Don't buy stevia with added sugar or with fillers. Get natural stevia. And because of its low glycemic index, it's not as addictive as sugar, and it has 0 calories. Most important part for your weight loss. 0 calories. So, number 2 on your list for today, stevia. Before I reveal my number 1 sugar replacement for today, make sure to watch the video till the end, and I will give you 2 additional sugar replacements that are natural and are full of nutrients that you can have instead of sugar. So make sure you watch the video till the end. So number 1 on my list is xylitol. What is xylitol? It is a type of sugar alcohol, and it enjoys its popularity as a natural sweetener. Although it is considered a sugar alcohol, xylitol is neither sugar nor alcohol. And the ingredients to make pure xylitol are derived from birch tree bark or corn cob. Xylitol has a lot of health benefits. Let us consider some of those. First of all, xylitol is good for your dental health. The bacteria that causes the tooth decay, they cannot break down xylitol as they with sugar. Xylitol also does not affect your blood glucose or insulin levels because sugar is 65 on glycemic index, whereas xylitol is only 7. Xylitol is also low in calories compared to sugar. Hello, weight loss! And xylitol is approved by American Diabetes Association. Now for $1,000,000 question. Is xylitol safe for kids? Well, a lot of products available on the market that are marketed these days as sugar-free, they contain xylitol. For example, extra gums. Yes, these gums have xylitol in them, plus Mentos mouth freshener. They have xylitol. Peanut butter. Yes, of course, certain companies have peanut butter that contains xylitol. Your condiments like your barbecue sauce, ketchup, some of them have xylitol, and also your jams, they contain xylitol, plus a lot of your multivitamins and other vitamins, they contain xylitol as well that kids have been consuming. Word of warning, if you are a pet owner, please be aware that xylitol is deadly for dogs. Yes, it's proven that xylitol is dangerous and it's really badly affects dog and can even kill them. So pet owners, please beware of xylitol. So, xylitol has a lot of health benefits. It helps with your oral and dental health. It also said to relieve some ear infection in little kids. Besides, xylitol's glycemic index is only 7 compared to 65 of sugar. So it's also low on glycemic index. Besides, it has very less calories compared to sugar. So xylitol is my number 1. Now, as promised, I'm going to give you 2 more sugar replacements that you can have. So you just finished dinner and you're still craving something sweet to eat. Please don't go to the fridge and eat all those unhealthy sugar-loaded sweets. No, no, no. Or go to the pantry and eat chocolate bars and chocolates. Again, no, no, no. Instead, eat 1 or 2 dates after you finish your dinner. Why? Because dates are not only a good source of fiber, but they are also rich in minerals and vitamins. They contain iron, potassium, copper, and magnesium. So, 1 or 2 small dates after dinner, chew slowly, and your sugar craving is calm now, and you've eaten something healthy instead of unhealthy sweets. So, dates. What after that? Number 1, jaggery. Eat jaggery. Jaggery is said to be a very good source of iron. It's good for people with anemia. Not only that, it's a very good source of calcium, magnesium, manganese, zinc, and a lot of other minerals and vitamins. So, jaggery. You crave it, have a small piece of it after dinner, and you've replaced all that unhealthy sugar. Try this for just 21 days. Guys, I'm telling you, not only will your weight go down, but that sugar craving that you've been having on and off, I want to eat something sweet, I want to drink something sweet, some pop, some juice, that will just go away because you've learned to fight that addiction. Just 21 days. Try it. Trust me, not only will you reduce weight, but you will be healthier for it. Please remember that you are trying to get over your sugar addiction. You are trying to replace the unhealthy refined table sugar with these natural replacements. So, do it in moderation. Don't do it excess. Remember, you're trying to reduce sugar from your day-to-day life, and also remember you're trying to get over that addiction. So, in moderation, even healthy stuff done excessively is not good for you. So please, in moderation, and have this replacements. Also, if you liked this video, please don't forget to like and share. Let me know in the comment section below if there are any other sugar replacements out there that you use and you have seen that impact on your body or on your health overall, and let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. That's it for today. You have yourself a great day. Take care and bye.